Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can log out in the X app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first of all you need to do is open your X app on your Android device. So once the X app gets open, you need to simply press on the profile icon on the left hand side of the corner and press on settings and privacy. Once you do so, all you need to do is tap on your account option. There you can find account information option where you need to simply press on. Now here on the last option you can find the logout button where you need to simply press on, and then you can easily get logged out by pressing on the logout option. So in this simple easy way you can get logged out from your X app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.